This is Mohit Khatri. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to get notified for all the latest videos we will be uploading related to interview questions. In this video series, we have covered all the possible interview questions for C Sharp for beginners to expert. And this is the part 1 where we will learn about the abstract class. So, if you are going for any interview, so this is the first and commonly asked question. What is the abstract class? So, in this session, we will learn about this with real-time example. So, here we have the definition of abstract class. Abstract class is a class where we cannot create instance, but for the normal class which we have, or we call that also concrete class, we can create instance of it. For the abstract class, we cannot create instance. And abstract class can have both abstract and non-abstract methods. So non-abstract methods you are very much familiar. Like you are creating any class, concrete class, you are creating any method. So where you have the declaration as well as the body of the method. So those are your regular methods, or we call them non-abstract methods. But in the abstract class, we have abstract methods as well. So what are the abstract methods? So these are the methods where we don't have the body. We just have the declaration. So, so these methods are basically used for the abstraction in the C sharp. So if someone asks you how to achieve abstraction in C sharp, so there are two ways. One is using the abstract class and second is using the interface. So now you must want to know what is the abstraction. Abstraction means hiding elements. So basically hiding methods or properties. So in the abstract class, what you can do, you can have both type of methods. You can have non-abstract methods which are have the body as well as the declaration, or and you can have the abstract method also. These are basically the methods which just have the declaration part, declaration declaration part, correct? Okay, so now we will see this with the real time example so that you can learn it better. So here you can see we have already created one class library project which is named as example like abstract class demo. So in this project we have added one class, that is bank class. So here you can see we have added the class bank, but our purpose of this video is to learn about the abstract class. So now how to create any abstract class as a normal class to abstract class. So you just need to put the abstract keyword for this. So as soon we add the abstract keyword and then the class and the class name, so that class become abstract class. So now if we see in the definition, we have said abstract class will have both, can have both abstract method and non-abstract method. So here you can see we have these two methods. These are the non-abstract methods in this class. And this is the one more method, that is the abstract method in this class. Okay, so I want to give you more information about this. What is these methods are meaning for here. So for example, you need to create one application which is handling the multiple banks. It could be for any purpose. Okay, say for example HDFC bank is there, SBI bank is there, and like there are many more banks. So but you will definitely find there are many common things and there are some different thing as well as per their operations. So for that reason we can use the abstract class. So this is also the questions for you in the interview. Why we should use abstract class? So you need to answer them that this can be used to have some common methods as well as to have the declaration of the methods which can be abstract for the other parent methods. So here you can see like if we are creating an application for the multiple bank. Okay, so first we have created one abstract class. In this abstract class we will have first the methods which are common for all the other banks, like This is common for every bank. They have the current account. So we have created one method that named as current account. So we are resulting from this. Yes, we open current account. And we have also one method that is saying, do you have saving account? And we are resulting here. Yes, we open saving account. So these are the two common methods for all the banks. So we have added them as a normal method here, or we can call them non-abstract methods. So as soon as any other class come, either HDFC Bank, SBI Bank, they will just inherit this bank class. That is our abstract class. So they will be able to use these two methods automatically because they are inheriting this class. But now at the same time, these banks will definitely have some different things. Like the common part is which we can see the bank has the differential is that is the interest rate. So that's why in this example we have added one more method that is the abstract method. So here we have created one abstract method that is needed the interest rate, how much interest rate you are offering. So but this is different for every bank, so that's why we just have the body of it, we don't have the declaration of it like we have for the other non-abstract methods. Okay, so hope guys you are clear now what is the difference between non-abstract methods and abstract methods. So abstract methods are the those though which has only the body, not the definition. So now we already created the method that is abstract, and this need the interest rate. So this is our abstract method, and this will be only overriding by the parent class, and there we will have the definition. Okay, so now our abstract class is ready to be used by any other class. So here we have the two non-abstract method and one abstract method. So now let's go and create one another class. So that is our concrete class. So now HDFC Bank is here. So HDFC Bank says that I have these two things common. I open the current account. I also open the saving account. So for that reason, we can just normally inherit this class here. So now in this HDFC Bank class, when we create the instance, we are ready to use these two methods. At the same time, when we want to use this third method, that is the interest rate, as I told you, that is the abstract method. To declare the abstract method, we need to basically, we have declared the abstract method with the abstract keyword. To define the abstract method, we need to override this method in the parent class. So it will, what it will do the override of this method. So this is done by using the override keyword. So we'll just basically copy the same description of this method, interest rate declaration, and then we will just replace abstract with the override keyword. So now we can define it here in the parent class. So here we can define how much interest rate this bank offer. So HDFC Bank says I will offer interest rate 4%. So now we are done with these many methods in the HDFC Bank class. So now there is one another bank comes. It says that I also have these two things common. So it will also normally come and will just inherit this bank class. And then again, as I have taken the example in the beginning, that interest rate varies from bank to bank. So SBI Bank has interest rate 4.5%. So they will just override this abstract method, and then they will say our interest rate is 4.5%. So hope you guys are now clear what is the purpose of abstract class. So abstract class is basically meant for having the both types of methods, non-abstract methods and as well as the abstract methods. Abstract methods are those where we are hiding the body, and that body is defined in the parent class who is inheriting that abstract class. With the override keyword, we define the body of the abstract method. Okay, so now we have these two classes ready, which can be used anywhere in our program. So say in this program, we have the starter file, that is a program file, and where we have the main method, which is called when we run our project. So here what I am doing, I am basically creating one instance of this class HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank, and I will use all the methods which HDFC Bank has for his operations. So HDFC Bank, we can create the instance of the class normally by just using the new keyword. Okay, so we created the instance of HDFC Bank class, and then as soon as we try to use all the methods, so we are able to use has current method, as saving account, as well as the interest rate. Okay, because these two methods automatically comes from the bank abstract class, and this method we are already overriding here. Okay, friends. So now as soon as we run the application, so we are able to see all the details from the HDFC Bank. Similarly, in our program, we want to show all the details from the SBI Bank also. So same way, we can create the instance of the SBI Bank, and then we can show all the information for the SBI Bank by calling these methods. Okay, as current account, as saving account, and has and showing the interest rate which it offers. So now if we run the application, and we can see the details of both the banks in the prompt command prompt. So it will just take a while. So yeah, here we go. So here you can see we have first console write line, that is HDFC bank details, and the first is we have called the method has current account, and in this has current account we have said yes, we open current account. So HDFC Bank is saying yes, we open current account. Yes, we open saving account. Our interest rate is 4%. So this is all the details from the HDFC Bank. So now the next bank, our program is we have set up the SBI Bank. And here in the first line, we are saying SBI Bank details. And then after it, we have called these all the methods which have these details. Yes, we open current account. SBI Bank also says, and yes, we open saving account, and our interest rate is 4.5%. So hope this is clear to now. This is clear to you now that how basically abstract class behaves. And now there is one another questions interviewer can ask you, what is the difference between abstract class and concrete class? Because the same thing you can do with the concrete class as well. Like you can just remove the abstract keyword here, and then also you can just use this bank class as a base class in the other two methods. So we will learn about that also in our next video. What is the difference between abstract class and concrete class? So so, friend, thank you for watching this video, and we will come up for our next video of the series. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.